Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 40 Enrollment List Show Data to database using Eloquent Model Laravel 12, and this is a tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is a series of tuition classes in Laravel 12. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service please +919941599815. Anytime contact. I am 24/7 everyday service is available. This is a contact, WhatsApp and call. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run. Localhost PSP, my admin inside this database. Inside this is available Eloquent. Enrollment is available. Enrollment. This click this enrollment. Inside this is this list is inside this is a show. This my project is already open. This project is inside this is available this project, and this is already run. Let's start this. First of all, this URL is a copy route web.php open inside this find successfully. This URL is available. This URL enrollment inside this index function is available. Enrollment controller, this controller is available. This controller inside this controller enrollment controller inside this index function is available. This function is available in the super admin enrollment and this list resource view super admin enrollment, and this is a list file. Successfully list file inside this is not available. Only this is only available. This is a last inside this is not available. Let's step by step inside this. First of all, this table is a implementation, but table is available. Index inside this table is available. This table is a copy. This table is a copy and paste here. This table paste here, and extra is all remove not use. This extra is all remove not use. This is a extra is all remove. This is all remove. Let's save file and refresh this page. 100% table is the implementation. First of all, this is available ID. Second is a student name, same name copy, and this is a student name. This copy successfully student name. Third is available class number. This is a class number. Class number is a set. Fourth is a implementation. Fourth is a enrollment date. Created date and updated implementation. This is a created date. Created date and updated. This action is a remove. Save file and refresh this page. Remove successfully. This is all good. This is working fine. Save file and refresh this page, and this is working good. This is a list inside this is not available in this to record, but inside this is a table list is a show. Let's step by step model via implementation is a get. This is a enrollment model is a this model in this table is already model is available. This inside this created the same name copy. Inside this is already included $data get record is equal to paste here, and this is the same here get record and paste here, and this is a close this via model same name copy. Save file copy, and this model inside this new function is a create static function, static public function. Paste here dollar return self get. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this dollar data is a pass here inside this dollar data pass. Save file. Let's copy this name. For less rope is a start for less. For less, and this is a dollar data, and this is a copy same name and paste here is dollar value is empty e and for less. Save file, and this refresh this page and working too. This is a working is a good. Let's inside this is a tr and td and this first of all this is a value copy same name copy and paste here, and this is the first is the id. This is the first is id is available. This is the database id. Second is the same name. Let's refresh this page. 100% is 1 is id is available, 1 and 2 is the available database. Let's second is this name is a get same name copy and paste here, and this is a name is available student id same name copy and paste here student id. Third is the implementation class id same name copy class id successfully set. Fourth is a date is the implementation. This is a date, this is the environment date same name copy and paste here, and this is a created and updated. This is not used. Let's remove but not use. Why extra is the implementation. Let's refresh this page. 100% is the implementation, but this is a date format is not correct, but this is a year, this month, and this is a date, means this month and this is a day, but this is a current not way completed, but implementation different date dmy str to time and paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good working. This is a fine. Let's implementation. This is a database date is a implement 2332, and this is available 2332 is available inside this, but inside this is a name is a implementation student id means student table. Click the student. Inside this is a name is a implementation 2 means inside this available 2 number. Third is available, third number is available. This is a Mehul Alex, and Mehul is inside this implementation name. Let's step by step implementation, but inside this implementation tr record is not found. This is 100% is a implementation. Please implementation is empty, record is not available, but this is a table is a record not found is a implementation. Let's join query is a implementation. First of all this open and this comment $return is equal to self select, and this is a name is a copy dot join, and join is a implementation. Save file. Join is a implementation. First of all this table open. This table is a student. Okay, my mistake. Student dot id is equal to, this is a supplier, this is environment not a supplier, this same name dot, this is a, this name is a, this same name is a copy and paste here student. Save name. Second is the same name is second, join query, paste here, but this is a name is a implementation class. The same name is a copy class name This is a class is a ID, and this class, and inside this the class ID is the implementation database. This is all good. Inside this is a name is the implementation student dot name. Second is the implementation. Second is the name is the implementation class dot is a room number. Save name. Let's copy this name inside this implementation again. This is the dollar value, and this is a name. Second is the same name, copy and paste here, and this is the name is the implementation room number. Save file. Successfully file is a save, and I refresh this page. But inside this issue, let's check this why issue is a show. Let's issue the student name, same name, copy and refresh this page. Okay, my misunderstanding, and this is a syntax error is available. This is as it is a working fine, but syntax error inside this is a not a written. Let's step by step written is a implementation. This close dollar return is equal to, otherwise dollar return and dollar return, this is a dollar return get. Save file, and this is the last is of this close this working fine. Let's refresh this page. My misunderstanding in this working fine, all good. 2 number is a Alex, and this is available Mehul, all good. This is let's check this is a database inside this available. This is just okay. Let's environment number is a click environment 2 and 3 is available. This is a 2 and 3 is available in database. 2 and 3 is a student. Click the student. Inside this 2 means Alex, 3 means Mehul, all good. Same here inside this is available enrollment inside this 3 and 2, but this 3 is available and 2 is available. This 50 and 01 this room number. Let's 3 and 2 number. 3 number is available 50 and 2 number is available 01, all good. This is one query is a implementation successfully working fine, and this is a fine. But inside this one implementation pagination, let's step by step. Pagination is a implementation, and simple way inside this paginet, not a extra word in this paginet, and this is inside this include paginet. Inside this include get record. Paginet is a implementation. This is a successfully get record. Paginet is a implementation. Some get record inside this implement. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This paginet is a working fine, but inside less implementation one record, only one record is a show. Save file and working fine. This is available one record. Second record in this pagination inside this second record, and this is a working fine. This is a implementation. This is a 20 after pagination is automatically is a show. This is not a show. This is a total already hide, but simple way 20 record after automatically pagination is a show. Let's step by step write down this controller. This model is a step by step implementation. Please write down, and this is a file is a implementation step by step. This is a all good, and this is a working fine, but inside this record is a table. Inside this not available. This table is a blank, so 100% is a show. This is a record not found is a show. Please implementation, and this is a my error solution code website is available. We are help to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. and this is a last video is already uploaded. 39 video is uploaded, and this video is upload this for 0. All good. Please step by step write down. This is a last of. And this is any doubt, so please contact this my website, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.